Hey y'all, Dirty Steve here. What's up? Misty Prepper put some on her Facebook. She put a video, homemade cough syrup, and just wanted to try it out because I feel like I'm getting a cold here, and everyone's just been going around. So I have all my stuff here. My jar, mixing jar. Put it right there. One of the main things is molasses, and I used to take this a lot. It's blackstrap molasses. It's pretty stout. I'm sure it'll work the same. Got some lemon juice squirt in there. Got some cinnamon, some honey, and the most important ingredient, some vodka. Or PGR, just use half a pint. It's the cheapest stuff I had. So you better look at this bottle if you want to look at it. Blackstrap molasses. Works really good. All the peppermints. So, bought a bunch of them, put them in this plastic bag over here, and put 2 wraps. You know, there's a good amount in here. And basically just had my sledgehammer, just barely tapped it all. Finally got down to a powder. So as you can see, I'm going to start mixing all this without making a mess, because my wife will kill me. Let's see. Put the peppermints in there. Making a mess. So I think that was like maybe 4. She called for 3. I think I put 4 or 5 in there. Just extra measure. I love peppermint. Let's see. It said half a pint of vodka or PGR. Let's put it down right here. Right up half a pint. Put that in there. Molasses is going to be kind of hard. Let's see, take half a pint of this. I don't know if I can fit half a pint in there. So we'll back off a little bit. Sorry, Misty. You know what? We're going to put half a cup in there. I think that'll be good. Ooh, stuff comes out. It's fast. Faster than I thought. There goes. Did 4 ounces, which is half a cup of that. Goodness, it's barely going to fit all in there. Trying to get all that out. We'll work on that later. Now I'm going to put a little shot of lemon in there, just a couple squirts. A little bit of honey, because I like honey. And somehow, this one wasn't open. like the raw honey too. That works good if you guys haven't had that. Let's see. A little bit of cinnamon. You might put just a hair more in there. Alright, just put the lid on. You know what? I think we can fit some more of this in here. We're just going to have to let it sit here. This stuff is like grandma in the wintertime trying to come out. There it goes. You ever hear someone say, get the molasses out of your butt? This is what they mean. Stop being so slow. Come on. Well, we're not going to sit here forever, but I would tip that